today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and sign a document in Dropbox using the web interface. This is a great tool if you frequently handle documents online and need a quick, efficient way to add signatures without having to download or print anything. Let's get started by navigating to Dropbox in your web browser. Once you're logged in, find the document you wish to sign. Imagine you have a docx file that needs your signature. Click on it to open it within the Dropbox web app. As the document loads, you'll notice various options presented within the interface, each designed to facilitate a range of document handling needs. Direct your attention to the top section of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Sign. This feature is integral for those who want to either append their signature or request others to do so. Click on this Sign button to reveal two primary options. One is Sign Yourself, ideal for when you are adding your signature personally. The other option, Get Signatures, is tailored for instances where you need someone else to sign the document. In today's demonstration, we'll focus on signing the document ourselves. Select Sign Yourself, and this will activate the signing tool. Here, you'll have the flexibility to choose how you'd like to create your signature. You can type it if you prefer something straightforward and simple, perhaps using a stylized font. Alternatively, you can draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, a great option for those who wish to replicate their handwritten style. If you have an image of your signature stored on your computer, you can choose to upload this file directly into the platform, ensuring a consistent and professional appearance. Once your signature is created and selected, the next step is to position it on the document. Carefully place it in the designated signing area or wherever you deem appropriate within the document. Pay attention to the size and position to make sure it's correctly aligned with any signature lines or spaces. This step is important for maintaining the document's professional look and ensuring clarity. When you're satisfied with the placement, you're almost done. To finalize, simply click Finish Signing. This action completes the signing process and securely saves your signed document within Dropbox. You'll receive a confirmation that your signature has been applied. The document is now ready to be shared, archived, or further edited according to your needs. And there you have it. Signing documents in Dropbox using the web version is that streamlined. With these steps, you'll save time and resources while maintaining the integrity and professionalism of your documents. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.